Let's learn how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Instagram application. Now what you need to do is to go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in bottom right corner. Now click on three dots in three lines in top right corner. This will open settings and activity. You want to click on your activity option. When you're here, scroll down until you find download your information option and click here. Now it will choose your download your information page. What you need to do here is to click on download on transfer information, check on which account you want to download information from. Now you want to check on some of your information. This will lead to a tab with options from your activity. You want to select messages only and click on next. Now you want to click one of these two options. I will click on download to device. And here you will have to select date range. You can choose all time if you want to recover every message since your account creation. Then click on save, notify on your email format and media quality. Now choose on create files after you finished with these options. And your information will be prepared for download. When you see, you will be notified when your download is ready. This will appear in download. You will just have to click on that, download the messages, and it will appear on your files application. You will just have to find files, and it will appear here with Instagram name. When you click on it, there messages will appear, and it will be a message with every user you chat since your